Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to build a website. What we're going to do is we're going to build our website in Word. Click on the Start button. Go to All Programs. Let's select Microsoft Office. And just click on Word. Now once we're inside Word, I'm just going to use some of Word's normal text editing functions to build something that looks like a nice website. Now what I've done here in Word is just basically use the normal Word editing features to create a web page. What we want to do is save this web page by clicking on the Save up at the top. Come down to Save As, and let's select Other Formats. Now by Save As type, select in this list Web Page, and let's call our web page welcome.htm. I'm going to close out of Word, and I'm going to upload this page to my web host. I'm going to do that by FTP. You can sign up for a web host for pretty good fees. They typically range from $20 to about $100 a year. They also will handle your registering your name for your website. So let's click on the Start button at the bottom. Go to Documents. And all we have to do is copy the file we just created and paste it into our FTP site. Now, if I open up my web browser and I go to that page on my website, you can see my web page. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a website.